Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you ever find yourself reaching for a bag of chips or a chocolate bar when you're feeling down or stressed? We've all been there. But did you know that what you eat can actually impact your mood? In this video, we're going to dive into the art of mindful eating and how you can use food to boost your mood. Before we dive into the tips, let's talk a bit about mindful eating. Mindful eating is about paying attention to your food, being present in the moment, and having mental health awareness of how your body feels. This approach can help you develop a healthier relationship with food and make better choices in your own personal development school. The science of mood and food. When it comes to our mood, we often think about external factors like the weather, our relationships, or our workload. But did you know that what we eat can also play a significant role in how we feel? In this chapter, we'll explore the science behind how food affects our mood, the connection between the gut and the brain, and the impact of processed foods. Food affects our mood in various ways. Certain foods can trigger the release of feel-good chemicals in the brain, like serotonin and dopamine. For example, carbohydrates can boost serotonin levels, which is why we may crave comfort foods like pasta or bread when we're feeling down. On the other hand, caffeine can increase the release of dopamine, which is why a cup of coffee can make us feel more alert and energized. But it's not just about the immediate effects of food on our mood. The gut and the brain are also connected, and research has shown that a healthy gut can lead to a healthier brain and better mental health. The gut-brain connection is known as the enteric nervous system, and it consists of millions of nerve cells that communicate with the brain. This communication happens through the vagus nerve, which connects the gut and the brain. This is a very important process if you want to have a healthy personal development school. So what does a healthy gut look like? It's all about the balance of good bacteria in the gut, also known as the gut microbiome. When the gut microbiome is diverse and balanced, it can help with digestion, nutrient absorption, and even mental health awareness. On the other hand, an imbalanced gut microbiome can lead to inflammation in the body, which has been linked to mood disorders like depression and anxiety. So what can we do to improve our mood through food? It's all about making mindful choices and focusing on whole, nutrient-dense foods that support a healthy gut microbiome. In the next chapter, we'll explore some mindful eating habits that can help you make better choices and boost your mood. Mindful eating habits. Mindful eating is a practice that involves paying attention to the present moment while eating. Instead of mindlessly devouring your food, it's about slowing down, savoring each bite, and engaging your senses. In this chapter, we'll explore some mindful eating habits that can help you make better choices and boost your mood. The first habit is to slow down. It's easy to rush through a meal, especially when we're busy or distracted. But taking your time when you're eating can help you enjoy your food more and prevent overeating. Try putting your fork down between bites, chewing slowly, and taking breaks to breathe and savor the flavors. Engaging your senses is another essential aspect of mindful eating. Pay attention to the color, smell, and texture of your food. Notice the different flavors and textures in each bite, and take the time to appreciate them fully. Engaging your senses can help you feel more satisfied with your food and prevent mindless snacking. Listening to your body is also crucial when it comes to mindful eating. Stop eating when you're full, and pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Some foods may leave you feeling energized and satisfied, while others leave you feeling sluggish or bloated. By tuning into your body's signals, you can make better choices about what to eat and avoid overeating. Another way to practice mindful eating is to eat without distractions. It's tempting to check your phone, watch TV, or scroll through social media while eating, but this can lead to mindless snacking and overeating. Instead, try to focus on your food and the people you're eating with. Make mealtime a time to connect with others and enjoy your food fully. Incorporating these mindful eating habits into your daily routine can help you make better choices and boost your mood. In the next chapter, we'll explore some specific foods that can support mental health and well-being. Foods that boost your mood. As we learned in the previous chapter, food can have a significant impact on our mood and mental health. In this chapter, we'll explore some specific foods that can boost your mood and leave you feeling energized and happy. The first group of mood-boosting foods is fruits and vegetables. These colorful and nutrient-dense foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can support your brain and overall health. Some studies have even suggested that a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Aim to incorporate a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals and snacks, such as berries, leafy greens, bell peppers, and citrus fruits. This will help you make better decisions in your personal development school. Another group of foods that can boost your mood is those high in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are found in fatty fish like salmon, as well as walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. Omega-3s have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body and improve brain function, which can lead to better mood and mental health awareness. In fact, some studies have even suggested that omega-3 supplements may be helpful in treating depression and anxiety. Dark chocolate is another food that can boost your mood and leave you feeling happy and satisfied. This delicious treat contains compounds that can stimulate the release of endorphins, which are natural chemicals in the brain that make you feel good. Additionally, dark chocolate is high in antioxidants, which has been shown to improve blood flow and heart health. Other foods that can boost your mood include fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi, which contain healthy bacteria that can support gut health and improve mood. Nuts and seeds like almonds, pumpkin seed, and cashews are also great mood-boosting snacks, as they contain healthy fats, protein, and fiber that can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Incorporating these mood-boosting foods into your diet can be a simple and enjoyable way to support your overall health and well-being. Experiment with different recipes and try new foods to keep your meals exciting and delicious. In the next chapter, we'll explore some practical tips for incorporating these healthy habits into your daily routine. So there you have it, folks. The art of mindful eating and how you use food to boost your mood. Remember to be present, engage your senses, and listen to your body. What are your thoughts? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, if you're new to this channel, we strongly encourage you to subscribe and click the like button. You can also keep up with all our most recent videos. See you in the next one.